Hey, my name is Joanna and I'm here today to present a list of amazing
Ceiling fan remote controls.
If found your desired product here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Have you ever woken up freezing at night because you fell asleep with the fan on full blast? And try as you might, you were just too sleepy and it was just too far out of reach. So defeated, you went back to sleep and suffered through the long, cold night. Just when you need it most, a hero comes along like a dream come true. A remote control for your ceiling fan. Simply attach each clearly designated wire from the remote control receiver to the fan and begin living your best nightlife. That's right, any ceiling fan can be turned into a remote-controlled ceiling fan, quick and easy. Be cool and sleep well, baby.
Hello everyone, I'm so excited to introduce this incredible Anderic ceiling fan remote control. The RRTX001R remote control is designed with quality in mind and it works with many major ceiling fan brands. This remote requires a 12-volt 23A battery and it operates on a 315 MHz frequency. The remote control and a wall mount bracket and screws come included. This remote features ceiling fan keys for high, medium, low, and off, as well as a light on, off key with dimming and non-dimming applications. This remote was built with quality in mind. Anderic's got your back with a 1-year warranty. You need to check them out.